Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Shure MV7 sounds that I'm quite far away. So me myself, I had a lot of problems with this one before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what we need to do, we need to firstly get this motive mix right here if you're using your Shure MV7 microphone for your computer. If you don't use your computer, well, there is actually other ways to actually fix it as well. So if you're, for example, recording sounds on your mobile, then you can just get the similar app, but for their mobile instead. You can just search for Motive Mix mobile as an example. And you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now you need to click on Mixer and then select the Shure MV7 if you haven't already done so, and you will be able to see it right here. So when it sounds that you're quite far away, the most common reason for that is that you haven't actually gotten into these settings right here and adjusted it. So if you click on this one and then just drag it like as much up as you can if you want to, but if you get to 12, it's going to sound like you are extremely close, just so you know. It's going to be like very loud, but I prefer this setting right here. So when I have this setting right here, before it was like down below here and it was really like, yeah, it was really hard to even hear what I'm saying. So I had to take this one and then just scroll all the way up right here. And now it actually works. So you can just copy my settings right here. And I would also, by the way, recommend to you, if you can, to use their recorder right here. So if you click on start recording right here, and their own recorder most likely will not be buggy or anything like that, at least in my own experience. But this is basically how I myself was able to fix it.